Hello student, welcome in moral science class. How are you student? I hope you all are fine at home. I am here with this book of the class 3. This book you can see on the screen. The name of the book is Little Leaders. Okay? This is the title of the book and I am here to explain the chapter number 1. The title of chapter number 1 is Controlling Anger. Okay? So children, open page number 13, chapter number 1, Controlling Anger. Children, here is a story called Mirror Image. Okay? So let's start the story. But before I tell the story, I will ask you some questions. So children, tell me, when was the last time you got angry? Was it yesterday or day before? What do you do when you are angry? You shout at younger brother or sister. Okay. Yes, is it? Are shouting and hitting others sign of good behavior? No. You break your things, you throw your things, screaming, shouting, hitting others. Is it? Would you like to be friends with someone who gets angry all the time? No. We don't like such friends who get angry all the time. Have you seen yourself in the mirror when you are angry? How do you think you look? Yes, we look bad. Are you able to think correctly when you are angry? No, we are not able to think correctly when we are angry. So student, now I am going to tell you a story called Mirror Image. The story name is Mirror Image. The name of the story is Mirror Image. Okay student? So listen carefully. Bruno and Timmy were two pups. One day Bruno and Timmy found a yellow ball. Each tried to catch it in his mouth, but the ball kept slipping out. Children, there were two puppies, one named Bruno and one named Timmy. One day they got a yellow ball. They tried hard to hold it in his mouth, but the ball which was going to slip again and again. Bruno and Timmy played with the ball every day. They would run after it and kick it, and the ball would roll far away. One evening, it rolled into a strange looking house. One evening, when both were playing with the ball went inside a wonderful house. The pups had heard the house was full of mirrors. One evening, when both were playing with the ball went inside a wonderful house, which was heard that the house was full of mirrors. But they did not know what a mirror was or what it looked like. Bruno was scared to enter the house and stood outside. Bruno was not going in because he was afraid. He knew that this house is full of mirrors because he did not know about mirrors. So he sat outside the house. Timmy ran into the house and, to his surprise, found many pups inside. All of them looked just like him, black and white with short hair. They want to take my ball from me, thought Timmy, because that house was filled with mirrors. So Timmy's image was visible in every mirror. but he could not understand that own reflection is visible in every mirror. He was thinking that there is a lot of puppies inside here. They all want to take my ball from me. What did Timmy think? Timmy was thinking this. They want to take my ball from me. He barked at the pups. The pups barked back at him. Timmy said to himself, these dogs have no manners. They bark so rudely, and their angry eyes and bad teeth make them seem like monsters. Children, what did Timmy think? Timmy was thinking this. They want to take my ball from me. So he started barking them. He started thinking that they did not have manners and they all appeared to him like a monsters. Grrr went Timmy. The pups growled too. Timmy ran towards the pups. Bow, bow, bow. He snapped. He ran from one mirror to the other, kicking the pups. In his fury, he banged his head against a mirror. Ouch! He cried and sat down. Children, tell me, why was Timmy angry with the pups? Because Timmy was thinking they want to take my ball from me. So he was angry at the pups. Bruno, who was waiting outside, heard the loud noises. He was excited. He went into the mirror house, wagging his tail. Inside, he was surprised and delighted to find many pups just like him. All of them were wagging their tails and smiling at him. Children, Bruno, who was sitting outside, heard a very loud voice and was surprised that a lot of dogs like him were smiling and wagging their tails. Why, children? Why did Bruno see it like this? Because all the pups were seeing him as he entered inside wagging his tail. He started thinking that all dogs are our friends. All these dogs want to be my friends. Thought Bruno. Let me search for the ball. Then Timmy and I can play with these new friends, thought Bruno. Children, what did Bruno start thinking? Bruno started thinking that all dogs are our friends. He searched carefully until he found the yellow ball. Found it, barked Bruno happily. All the pups barked happily too. When Bruno found the ball, they started shouting very happily. Found. All the dogs who were seen in the mirror like him started barking in happily too. Timmy told Bruno, it's time to go home. Bruno said to the pups, but we shall come back tomorrow to play with him. Timmy told Bruno, it's time to go home. Bruno said to the pups, but we shall come back tomorrow to play with him. What did Bruno say to all those dogs while leaving? Said that I will come to play with all of you tomorrow. Children, tell me, why were the pups friendly with Bruno? Because Bruno was treating them all as friends, right? So children, what did we learn from this story? That we should not be angry like Timmy. We should act sensible like Bruno. Right, student? Children, tell me, what is the moral quality of mirror image? The moral quality of mirror image is the controlling anger. Anger leads to sorrow and peace leads to joy. Anger leads to sorrow and peace leads to joy. We understood getting angry makes us behave badly. We don't look good when we are angry. If we get angry, our friends also will not like us. If we shout at others, they can also shout back at us. A person is not able to think clearly when she is angry. Value James. Getting angry makes us behave badly. We may lose our friends if we get angry often. When we get angry, we can't think clearly. When we are angry, we say rude things to people. When we are angry, we say rude things to people. Next time, children, next time you are angry, try doing one of these. Count slowly from 1 to 10. Take 10 deep breaths. Walk away and sit alone for 5 minutes. Okay, children? So, children, hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. Right? You have learned a lot from this lesson. Okay, student, thank you. Have a nice day.